What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Colony. But before we begin, please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So now let's get it started. What is Colony? Colony makes it easy for people all over the world to build organizations online. It's fully decentralized, totally trustless, and 100% open source. The best way to build your DAO is to use Colony's built-in DAO framework. So now let's go to the product of the Colony. Go from zero to DAO in 90 seconds. No framework gets you up and running faster. Creating your own ERC20 token is easy. Colony nearly didn't mention anything because it was so simple. Do you already have a token that you'd want to use? Cool. Simply put that bad boy in while starting up your Colony to provide it governance abilities in seconds. Domains can be projects, departments, teams, circles, or anything else that makes sense for your company. Each domain can have its own budget, which is managed by the domain's donors. When a donor is paid in your Colony's native token, they gain reputation in the domain from where they received the money. They can use their reputation to wager on motions and vote in disputes in the domains where they have reputation. Voting on everything is not a good way to manage a business. No, not even one that is decentralized. Because voting implies that there is disagreement, which is rarely the case. Voting is a waste of time for everyone. Voting is only required in Colony if there is a genuine disagreement about something. The quickest, easiest, and most straightforward way to sell your token. Machine for mining coins. Did we mention it's completely free? That's correct. All monies earned go directly into your Colony, which is administered by your community. For novice users, one of the most perplexing aspects of dApps is needing to pay for gas. People are unfamiliar with pay-as-you-go apps. As a consequence, Colony pays gas fees on behalf of customers, resulting in a more user-friendly experience and making it easier to onboard members to your DAO. In Colony, almost everything is free. The creation of Colonies is free, and there are no monthly subscription costs. Your petrol expenses are also covered. The only time a tiny fee is charged is when money leave the Colony. When someone is compensated, for example, that fee is currently as low as it can be technically, one way. The Meta Colony, a DAO made up of you, the Colony network users, will decide what network charge is suitable in the future. And the Colony has a token sale on December 14, 2021 at 12 a.m. UTC to buy a token. The Meta Colony is a DAO which exists to make it easy for others to build DAOs. Our technology is designed to be a self-sustaining public utility, a permissionless digital commons available to all without possibility of censorship. We think of it as infrastructure for the future of the firm. Infrastructure requires upkeep, ongoing development, maintenance, and support will be needed to ship Colony's ambitious roadmap and grow a thriving ecosystem. CLNY is required for the following purposes: government staking, revenue sharing, reputation mining, and reputation auctions. CLNY must be staked as a surety in Meta Colony disputes. Stackers who win a disagreement receive a portion of the loser's CLNY. Accounts in the Meta Colony that have both CLNY and reputation may be eligible for a part of Meta Colony revenue. Miners stake CLNY to compete to conduct reputation updates off-chain in order to gain CLNY and reputation. Fees in non-USDT, USDC, XDAI, and WETH tokens are auctioned for CLNY, which is then destroyed. Network fees are how Colony makes money. Fees paid in whitelist tokens fund Meta Colony's continuous development, security, maintenance, and support, as well as BudgetBox, the Colony's ecosystem incentive mechanism. Payments departing a Colony to an external address are subject to a minor charge imposed by the Colony network. Fees paid in whitelist currencies like as USDC, USDT, WETH, and XDAI are sent to the Meta Colony to reward contributors. Fees paid in other ERC20 tokens go to auctions where token buyers can purchase ERC20 tokens using CLNY, which is burned. Ncoin Machine, the company behind the $CLNY token sale, will be selling 200 million CLNY tokens at a very high price of $50 per CLNY, which equates to a $10 billion fully diluted market cap, $50*200 M CLNY. The price will then start falling until the market discovers a price it believes is appropriate. Coin Machine sells limited amounts of tokens in fixed price batches, adjusting prices up or down in between batches based on recent demand. The price will drop every hour until the market finds a price it likes. Wait until you see a price you think is appropriate based on your research. If you do not see the price you have in mind, do not buy. And here's a testimony by Willie O'Gorzley, head of decentralization at Shapeshift Foundation. Colony addresses a critical need for all DAOs, paying contributors securely, transparently, and efficiently. Thanks to its thoughtful and flexible design, Shapeshift was able to configure Colony in a way that aligned with our intent intended structure better than any other available toolset. The Colony wants us to join their community or encourages us to join. As we can see, the Discord community of the Colony already has 7,187 members. Just accept invite, and you will be one of the Colony's growing community. It was difficult to believe a decade ago that a taxi firm with no drivers would be worth $90 billion, or that software that no one owns would be producing millions of dollars every day to pay people to work for it. The world began to change. Work, employment, and even organizations are evolving. But to quote a wise guy, corporations? We don't need companies where we're going. Colony's 2021 product roadmap. Earlier this year, we soft-launched Colony V2 and started onboarding real, live humans. June/July, token activation, motions and disputes, reputation, gasless on XDAI. August/September, coin machine plus KYC plus address whitelisting, user profile popover, Smite to cross-chain execution. Q4 and beyond, advanced expenditures, finances dashboard, treasury, transactions, token supplier to motions and disputes, token, and lot of plans Colony have. Join our team of experts. Colony is created by a global crew of dedicated geeks that contribute blood, sweat, and pull requests from all around the world. We're constantly looking for awesome contributors, and Colony proudly supported by Freenfield One, Eden Block, The Lao, Bisheen Ventures, Signum Capital, Continue Capital, LD Capital, and lastly ANMI Capital. And let's go to the Twitter page for Colony. Colony joined in July 2009 and now has 16.1k followers. Let's go to the pinned post of the Colony $CLNY token sale. Registration is now open. Just click the link given in this tweet. If you want more updates on Colony life, just find the Colony Twitter page by searching for Colony, hiring, or join Colony. And that's all for Colony. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investor Channel. Thank you for watching.